everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to talk about my Mother's Day gift for me. I want to tell you about something I got from Jeulia. I have reviewed products by Jeulia before. I'm a customer of theirs, love their jewelry, love the price point of their jewelry, and I'd love to share with you a set that I got that I think is adorable. So if you want to know more, stick around. So when I first brought you information about Jeulia, I came to you as a long-time customer who loved their products. I have purchased many things from Jeulia over the past 3 years, including a ring that I wore as my wedding ring for over 2 years. Last year, Jeulia approached me and asked me if I would like to partner with them on a review. At that time, I reviewed this ring, which is now the ring I wear as my wedding ring. I talk about it in that video. I talk about why I wear a Jeulia ring, what happened to my wedding ring, and why I chose to go with a more cost-effective alternative. If you did not see that video, please go watch it. I do think it's a viable option to purchase wedding rings, wedding bands from companies like this if they've got good quality and not break the bank. Plus, if you travel, having a duplicate or an alternate to your very expensive, maybe real diamond could be awesome. This ring is almost a year old. It's not, none of these little diamond-like pieces have chipped off. This is not chipped or broken. The ring is not tarnishing. It looks as beautiful as the day I got it. It doesn't turn my finger green. It's just amazing. So that's the context around why I'm here today to talk about Jeulia again. So my husband always tells me I'm super hard to buy for. I don't think I'm hard to buy for, but I do think I have really specific tastes. And so we've been together for a long time, and at this point he rarely ever buys me jewelry because he just doesn't really know how to pick out what I will like. So I end up, if I want some jewelry for a special occasion, I end up picking it out myself, which I actually don't mind. And this set from Jeulia, such a great Mother's Day gift for yourself or for someone else, and I really wanted to tell you about it. So this set comes with 3 pieces: a ring, earrings, and this necklace, but you can also buy them all separately if you don't want the whole set. It's called their one-of-a-kind watermelon set, and so the watermelon comes from the beautiful, let me get out of the frame and see if I can get this to focus. I might not be able to, so you might have to wait for the pictures on the end, but it comes with this beautiful watermelon coloring. There we go. It's got this like bright, hot pink, beautiful emerald green. You can see that it's got all of these little diamond-like stones all around the ring, all around the stone. It's just gorgeous. And so the rest of these, making sure that now I'm going to be lit up well enough. The rest of these match that. So we've got these beautiful earrings. Let me just take this off. So basically it's a huggy back, which I normally don't like. I think I have fat earlobes, and when I get rings like or earrings like this, they squeeze my ears. These ones don't do that. They fit me perfectly. So you've got this and it just snaps on to hold securely. I didn't do that right on, right? Like that. And then you've got that same beautiful stone with all of those diamond-like stones all around it and all the way up the earring. So it's just so beautiful on. And let me show you the necklace. Now, I always buy these magnetic clasps from Amazon because it makes putting my necklaces on so much easier. I'll link it in the description. Looks like my camera lighting changed, so let me. And then that's the beautiful necklace. You can just see that. And it comes with the chain. So if you can always take off the pendant and put it on your own chain, or you can just use the chain. I think the chain is beautiful. And I think you can choose your length as well if you want to. They're just gorgeous. The packaging is beautiful. I love Jeulia's packaging. Their boxes are really pretty. All 3 of these, even though I bought it as a set, I got it as a set, they all come like this. in 3 separate packages. They come with a beautiful little cleaning cloth. They come with a little gift bag. I mean, I just think their packaging is beautiful for gift giving. Put this back in. Just like that, so easy. I really wanted to show you guys. I'm such a fan of Jeulia. I just think sometimes we want to find beautiful jewelry, but with the prices of everything these days, it's really hard to find something we can afford. I can attest to the quality of Jeulia pieces. Like I said, I started as a customer of theirs over 3 years ago. Since then, I had a ring that I had for 2 years before I got this one. And I wouldn't have replaced that one, except I had the opportunity to work with them, and I really wanted to see this one. I have 2 necklaces from them, maybe 3. I think I have 3 necklaces from them. And so I know that their quality is great. All of my pieces have held up, and those necklaces I wear all the time. You see them in many of my videos. I absolutely love their quality. I love their products, and their prices are great. So check them out if you haven't ever checked them out before. Oh, and by the way, you guys, I heard from a few of you after my last video who purchased from them and were so thrilled with your purchases. That makes me really happy. I don't want to recommend something that's not good. I just would never want to do that to you guys. If I bring it to you, I really believe that it's worth checking out. I have a 15% coupon code as well as links in the description, and I'll link my review of this in case you're in the market for either a wedding ring, an engagement ring, or a duplicate or a backup to a beloved expensive piece for when you travel. That's a great reason to get one of these if you already own a beautiful diamond. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.